We're going to check the transmission fluid for color now. We're looking for a pink or reddish color. And what we're finding is brown here. It doesn't smell, it's not burned, but it definitely should be changed out. So let's go find the transmission pan. And there it is. It's the larger flat pan. And there are 20 bolts, 10 millimeter, that need to be loosened up. We're going to just loosen them all slightly to start with here. And have a catch pan ready. Okay, break all 20 of them and then start fully removing the ones done on this end, because we're going to be draining it, lowering this end of the pan down. So step by step, we're just getting the pan loosened so it slants downward, and so it'll drain right into our catch pan. That means loosening all of them eventually until you get a really good drip all in the pan. I've just been letting this thing continue to drain. I'm not dropping it all at once. I've almost got this almost 2/3 of the way filled already with fluid, so it's kind of easing them out. If you don't want a huge mess, just take it gradually remove them all. It'll lower and lower. I don't want this to come down with a big thud, so I put one back in on that end. So when there's just a couple left, I can just ease it down the rest of the way. Okay, so we just have 4 left over here on the high end, and I'm loosening those up to where they're almost out. So it's just hanging there. Well, now we're down to where we can let it hang. Get the last of it out. To remove the filter, just get a good hold of it, pull downward while jiggling it. It's just pressed kind of into a bushing. There it goes. And it will have some oil in it, so you're ready to turn it over and dump it into the pan. This kit contains what you need: the gasket, the filter, and then this bushing. Okay, there's a little bushing inside here that has to pull out and be replaced. And this one's stuck. Okay, clean all surfaces as best you can using a clean rag with lacquer thinner on it. Do that on the pan itself also. Let's put it back together, starting with the filter and pushing the filter into that bushing. It fits a tight fit. Alright, let's get it in there all the way. A new gasket in place. Set the pan up there, kind of hold it down, and start a couple screws. Just starting one on each end. Okay, once we've got it in there, let's use some power. With 20 to do, a little 10 millimeter on a power drill, it's only going to help. Just go around and tighten them all. Just snug them up. Sure they're all about even. And then we'll go back and forth crossways, torque them 10 foot-pounds. Okay, there it is. Roughly 7 quarts we took out, 7 quarts we'll put in. Use Dexron 6, it's about $5 a quart. I cut a slit in a little piece of vinyl tubing. And then I can slip it in there. And then stick the funnel on top like this. So that's going to be how we're going to fill it. Number 1 of 7.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. If you find this material useful, I will be posting more. Bye now.